Hello. Over the next few minutes, we will show you how to install, maintain, and operate your new Bestway Sand Filter. Please keep in mind this video is to accompany the printed user's manual and is not a substitute. Pay careful attention to the warnings and safety instructions included in the manual. Referring to your manual, ensure all components are present. It is important to select a smooth, solid, level surface to install the sand filter. Position the sand filter so the ports and control valve are accessible for operation. First, we need to remove the top of the filter to add the filter sand. Note that the hoses are packaged inside the filter. Remove them. Add the sand until it reaches the top of the rim. Don't allow sand to enter the center tube. Please note, use only pool-grade filter sand. Now brush away any sand from around the rim and ensure the O-ring is in place. Attach the top tank and secure the clamp. Next, attach the control valve, making sure port C on the valve is aligned with port C on the pump. Screw the control valve into position. Attach the hose to port C on the pump and port C on the control valve. Make sure the seals are positioned properly. Now we can prepare to backwash and rinse the sand bed. Before we continue, ensure the control valve is set to the closed function. Make sure the seal is in place and connect a hose to port B on the filter and port B on the pool. Connect the other hose to port D on the filter. To allow water to flow to the pump, remove the stopper plug or open the connection valve. Press down on the control valve handle and rotate to the backwash function. Plug in the pump, or if your pump has a switch, turn it on. Warning: do not plug your filter into an extension cord. This is a fire hazard that can lead to property damage. Run the filter for 3 to 5 minutes or until the water runs clear. The backwash function circulates water through the sand bed and out the drain through port D. Turn off the pump and set the control valve to the rinse function. Turn on the pump and run it for 1 minute. This again pushes water through the sand bed and out the filter. Turn off the pump and set the control valve to the closed function. Please note, this procedure removes water from the pool, which you need to replace. Turn off the pump immediately if the water level drops near the pool's inlet and outlet valves. Do not dry run the pump. With the sand bed ready, detach the hose from port D. We will connect this hose to the pool and port A on the pump. Ensure all elements, hose, debris screen, and pool inlet are properly aligned when tightening the hose clamp. If your pool has a connection valve, open it. Water now flows to the pump and the sand filter is ready to use. Set the control valve to the filter function and turn on the pump. Check that water is returning to the pool. Attach the provided cap to port D on the pump to prevent water from leaking. Also take note of the pressure on the pressure gauge. The recommended filter pressure is below 4 psi. When the pressure increases above 4 psi, it's time to backwash and rinse the sand bed as previously outlined. To clean the strainer, turn off the pump and set the control valve to the closed function. Close the connection valves or insert the stopper plugs to prevent water from flowing to the pump. Unscrew the strainer cover, remove the debris screen and clear any debris. To run the pump, put the strainer back into position. Open the connection valves or remove the stopper plugs to allow water to flow to the pump and set the control to the filter function. At the end of the season, pool equipment must be winterized to protect against damage. Completely dry the pump and hoses. It is not necessary to remove the sand bed. Be sure to backwash and rinse the sand bed as previously outlined. Open the drain valve on the tank bottom to release any trapped water. Store the pump in a warm, dry place. If you have any questions about our products, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.